Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Redmi K80. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button once you see your logo on your screen. And now I'm in recovery mode, and here you have to go to wipe data with volume buttons and then press power button to select. Then use volume buttons again to move to wipe all data and press power button. And now move to confirm and press power button again. Now press power button to go back to main menu, and now select reboot and click reboot to system to go back to your Android system. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.